Let me guess. You're trying so hard to do everything right for your family, for your job, for your health, but you feel like you're constantly running on empty. You see other people living these big, purposeful lives, and you're like, why can't I? Why not me? You have dreams, but they feel as though they are buried under mountains of obligations, mountains of self-doubt. Maybe you're battling a chronic illness and you're just tired of being defined by it. They can tell you you can't do it. They tell you, no, you shouldn't do that because of your health. Or maybe you're a parent pouring every single thing that you have into your children. You're trying everything that you can do for your children and you've lost track of who you are. Maybe you're in a place where you feel stuck. You're in a place where you just feel powerless. There's nothing I can do. I know that place. I have lived there. But now I want you to imagine something different. Imagine waking up in the morning, not feeling dreadful, not feeling tired, but full of energy. Imagine looking at your challenges not as a chorus, not as a problem, not as an excuse, but as the very thing that gives you your unique strength. Imagine having a clear, unshakable purpose that will guide every decision that you make. Imagine a life where your health, your work, your spirit are all in sync, in complete balance. Imagine having the absolute power to prescribe your own life. That gap between the person that you are now, the exhausted, tired person, and the powerful person you are meant to be. That is why I created this channel. My name is Emmanuel. I'm a pharmacist, founder, and a sickle cell warrior who has learned how to turn my pain into my power, and I am here to share that prescription. Trust me, this isn't another self-help channel. This is a strategy room. We are going to dismantle those things that are holding you back, and then we'll build systems, sustainable systems that will move you forward. If you are ready to leave the old you behind and step into the life that is waiting for you, into the life you're meant to be living, then your first prescription is simple. Click subscribe and let's get to work.